We are pleased to show you the 2022 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, trip computer, fog lights, clock, bucket seats, compass, brake assist, outside temperature gauge. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.